wrong side off. Why didn't you guys say anything? Why didn't you guys tell me to use the wrong side? Hey, what's up you guys? It's Nat and today we're going to be installing our street air side skirts on the S2000. For the side skirt, there's a little mud flap right here, or I don't know what you would call this, the liner. There's going to be 3 screws that hold in this little part right here that we're going to need to take off. 1, 2, and 3. Ta-da! Now I'm just gonna screw these back in just so I don't lose them. Test fit the side skirt, clean them, and attach them is the game plan. And hopefully that goes pretty smoothly. I have the 3M molding tape because I don't want to drill it into the car. We're just gonna use the molding tape. So this should be the driver's side. I'm gonna start it by wiping it down with just soap and water first. And then we're gonna go in with some alcohol. I think that's pretty clean for the most part. We clean off this part, the side skirt itself, and then underneath as well. I'm gonna do the same thing on this.
Wait a minute!
So this should be the driver's side. So I just realized I put the wrong one on. This is supposed to go on my right side. And I just did all that. So now we have to take this off. It's actually not budging. I put the wrong side on. Why didn't you guys say anything? Why didn't you guys tell me to put the wrong side? I just looked at the lettering. I was like, okay, this one goes up. Y'all didn't want to say anything to me? That was crazy. Okay, we're gonna redo this now. I'll be back. Now that I have the right side on this, we're gonna try this again. So this is what it's looking like. It's a little hard to see in this light, but I think it looks decent, right? It doesn't look bad. Okay, now we have to get more tape for the other side since I messed that up. But then we'll be back and finish up the side skirt. The sun is going down, so sorry about this lighting right now. Walmart got more tape. We're gonna quickly clean this off, put on the other side, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like in the morning or with daylight outside. Okay, and that's how it looks. I'll show you guys what it looks like in the morning. I'm just gonna leave that there just so it sticks a little bit more. Here's what she looks like with the side skirt. I don't think I did a bad job, and it's pretty sturdy on there right now, so. You can't tell too much of a difference just because it's black, and since my car is like low and everything, I don't know, it kind of just looks like a shadow on my car. But I do like the detail of it when I actually like step out. Let me know what you guys think, and thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.